This video is a quick tutorial of Pear Deck, looking at how to create as a teacher, present as a teacher, what you can see as a teacher, and then what the students would see while the presentation is going. So Pear Deck can be created all in the program itself. You can insert a Google Slides or do a Pear Deck vocabulary lesson as well. When you are presenting, the students will go to joinpd.com, enter a class code, and the teacher can see how many students have joined at the bottom, and when they are ready to go, continue on. Going through, you can have note slides, video slides, or question slides. You can see when students have responded. You can lock the slides so that students can no longer respond, and then you can project responses from the students once they have responded. They are anonymous, so students cannot see who posted what. The student side would see the question on one side and an answer box on another. Some could be multiple choice, some could be a drawing slide, and some could be short response. The questions will advance when the teacher advances, so students can't work ahead, they can't fall behind, they will always be with the class. And then when the teacher is presenting, they can have their dashboard up and see, go back through slides afterwards and see what students had responded and who had responded what. Graphing slides, they can see the drawings of all the students, again, who did what and responded what. So there are many different ways a teacher could use Pear Deck in their classroom. They can use it as formative assessment, summative assessment, class presentations, notes, whatever fits the class best in any size classroom and any classroom content.